Magandang gabi. Mayong gabi mga higala. Kuya John, may tubig na? Mga bro, gutom na kayo? Gutom na kayo? Ready ko na, di pa? Ready ko na, mag-ready na ako.
Bagay, ito sa bodyguard mo dapat.
Kuya Lat. Kuya Lat. A few minutes from now, we will be taking to our dinner. Then after that, we will proceed to our activity.
Few hours from now.
Few minutes from now.
A few hours, not minutes.
Few minutes from now, we will be taking our dinner. Then after that, we will proceed.
Our dinner?
We will be taking. Then after that, we will proceed to our activity.
Pat kabok, di naman siguro na sa makuhan siguro.
Thank you everyone.